How to fix Samsung keyboard writing assist isn't working. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now the first thing that you want to do is to make sure writing assist is enabled. So swipe down at the top, then tap on the settings icon. In settings, we scroll down and tap on general management. Then tap on Samsung keyboard settings. Now tap on writing assist and make sure it is turned on. So tap on the toggle button and switch it on. Once it is enabled, you can use it for grammar corrections, style suggestions, the tone if available, create summaries, and organize text into bullet points in or table. Okay, fix number 2 is to use the correct keyboard. So make sure that you select Samsung keyboard because writing assist only work with Samsung keyboard. So again, we go into general management, and in here we tap on keyboard and make sure Samsung keyboard is selected. So here we got the default keyboard. I only have one keyboard available, so by default it is set to Samsung keyboard. But if you have multiple keyboard installed, such as Google keyboard or Microsoft Swift keyboard, then make sure you select Samsung keyboard. Okay, so that's number 2. And number 3 is to check the language support. So from Samsung keyboard settings in here, and for languages and types, make sure you select English. Many languages are not supported, so if you select, say you want to use a different language other than English and you try to use writing assist, it will not be available for you to use. Fix number 4 is to update your phone. So with AI features, rely on newer software. We can go into settings. So go into settings at the top here. Then we scroll down and look for software update and make sure your phone is up to date. Okay, it is now performing a check. Okay, it's finished. Okay, fix number 5 is to make sure you have signed into Samsung account. Some AI features require you to sign into Samsung account for it to work correctly. So at the top here, make sure you have already signed into your account. If it asks you to sign in, then make sure you do so. Number 6 is to check your internet connections because writing assist uses the internet so that it can generate the text. So you want to make sure you have a Wi-Fi connections or mobile data turn on. If they are not working, then it will not work. Another thing is if you connect to a VPN server, if that server has certain restrictions or if it is block certain connections, then it can affect your writing assist. So make sure if you're on VPN, try to turn off VPN and then try to use writing assist and see if that helps. If it's still not working, fix number 7 is to reset your Samsung keyboard. So we can go into settings and then go all the way down and tap on apps and then tap on Samsung keyboard. So we go down and find Samsung keyboard in here and then tap on storage, and from here tap on clear cache and clear data if needed so that we can reset your keyboard. So try all of those different fixes and see if they help you. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.